Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this bold smoky eyes. First, I'm going to moisturize my face and neck area. I'm taking my Ultra Repair Cream from Fab. You can either use a brush or your hand to apply the moisturizer all over your face and neck area. If you decided to use your hand, please make sure you sanitize your hand for hygienic purpose. Next, I'm taking my Fashion Brow from Maybelline to define my eyebrow. I'm taking the dark brown. To clean up my borders, I'm going to take my MAC Pro Concealer and Correct palette in medium deep. I'm taking a color which is closer to my skin tone. Next, I'm brushing off my eyebrow. To start my eye makeup, I'm going to apply eye base. Today, I'm using MAC Prep and Primer. I'm taking little amount of the eye base and apply directly all around my eye areas. To set the base, I'm taking the City Mini palette from Maybelline and I'm taking a color which is closer to my original skin. Using a flat brush, I'm applying the base all over my eyes area. Today for my eye makeup, I'm going to use this beautiful Juvia's palette. First, I'm taking Fulani color and apply on my crease area. Once I done apply this color on both of my eyes, I'm taking larger blending brush and blend out this color. Next, I'm taking Zulu from the same palette and apply again all over my crease area to intense the color. Next, I'm taking my Maybelline Kajal eyeliner pencil and draw a line. I make the liner thicker so that it will fill up my eyelid area. To start my face makeup, I'm taking my NYX Photo Loving Primer, Studio Perfect. I apply the primer all over my face and neck area. Today for my foundation, I'm taking NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation in shade Medium Olive and Classic Tan. Again, I'm taking MAC Pro Concealer and Correct palette in medium deep for my contour. I contour all over my forehead, cheek area, my jaw lines and my nose. While watching me contour my face, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you are new here and not forget to hit the bell button so that you will not miss any of my new poses. I post new videos on every Sundays and for your convenience, I have listed all the product I use in this tutorial in the description box. You can also follow me in my social media where I posted lots of pictures which I can't post in my YouTube channel. Again, I have provided all my social media link in the description box. Next, I'm going to highlight my face. I'm taking Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I apply the concealer on my forehead, bridge of my nose, under my eyes, my chin, and also side of my jawline. I blend the concealer as soon as I apply because this concealer dries quickly. I am using a sponge. You can even use a beauty blender. Next, I'm taking my L'Oreal Mercian loose powder and set my face, the areas which I have applied concealer just now. This is to bake the face, and I'm going to let the powder sit on my face about 2 to 3 minutes before dust it off. To intensify my contour and bring back the warmth on my face, I'm taking my sleek contour palette and contouring my face. Next, I'm going to apply my blusher. Today, I'm using MAC in Lovejoy. For my highlighter today, I'm using Sephora Face Shimmer Powder. I'm highlighting my highest plane of my face, like my cheekbone, bridge of my nose, chin, and side of my eyebrow. Before going back to my eye makeup, I'm applying some loose powder under my eye area so that any fall off of my eyeshadow, it will catch and easy to dust it off. Going back to the same eyeshadow palette which I used earlier, I'm taking Burkani color and apply under my lower lashes. I'm blending the color with my larger blending brush. To tighten up my waterline, again I'm taking my Maybelline Kajal eyeliner pencil. And using the same eyeliner, I'm applying it on my lower lashes. Then using a flat brush to smudge the eyeliner under my lower lashes. If you guys are planning to attend an evening dinner or party, this bold smoky eyes is must to try. Next, I'm taking a flat brush and smudge the eyeliner under my lower lashes. For my mascara today, I'm taking Total Temptation from Maybelline. For my lipstick today, I'm taking Nude Pink from Maybelline, and this is a glossy type lipstick. To set my face, I'm taking Urban Decay All Nighter. This is a long lasting setting spray. And guys, we are at the end of the tutorial and this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please give me a very big thumbs up. I'll see you next week with a brand new video. See you.